soak it down, soak that nut down with some liquid wrench, as usual. Not seeing any maker's marks on this at all, which I wouldn't say is unfortunate, but it was nice. Maybe it's underneath this finish somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna hit it with a wire brush and see. Go easy on it. See if we can find any maker's marks. Nothing. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Yeah, we'll take this over to the wire mill and clean it off then. Finished up at the wire wheel. Use the brass wire wheel. I always use that pretty much. Just a lot lower impact or less impact than a steel wire wheel. Okay, so cleaned it up real well. We got some burrs. We got a few burrs. We got some dents, which is normal. A lot of people use pliers or hammers or some forging issues here, which we're going to clean all of this stuff up. It's going to make these really smooth. We're going to clean these. These grooves are in pretty good shape. But we're going to clean them up a bit with a diamond file. This is like a triangle shape. I doubt that picks up. But anyway, it's like a triangle shape. So we're going to use it on the bigger teeth here, just to clean them them up. Side by side, we did the one side. All right, so it's pretty radical difference. Okay, here's the side that we did not do yet. You can see all the pitting, the extra material from the forging process, pitting on the inside, teeth that are not in bad shape, but they need a little bit of work, a little bit of sharpening. Pitting on the bottom, some hammer marks. So you get a lot of extra material that we cleaned up. So give you an idea of the difference. Here's the one we cleaned up. Okay, so you can see no extra material on the inside as well. We also removed the bulk, about 95% of the hammer marks. We removed them all. I didn't want to remove too much material. I left a couple in there. Okay. We're going to finish up the wrench tomorrow, and then we'll post part 2 tomorrow. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down over here. Alright, and that's it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for helping to make this a better world. And have a great day.